Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. This video is all about squaring a number in 2 seconds. Friends, we are writing the competitive exam. Getting the right answer anyway is not important than getting the right answer in less time. So, we have come up with the speed math tricks. Friends, make sure that you are going to train yourself to do fast calculations. Please follow the classes regularly and watch this video until the end of the session. Friends, coming to the topic squaring a number in 2 seconds. I am going to take a smaller number first. Okay, let me take 11 square. Okay, generally 11 square means 11 times 11. Okay, we are going to do 11 times 11 like this. Okay, that is 11 square. First we are going to multiply 11 times 1, we will get 11. And again we are going to multiply 11 times 1, we are going to get 11. Okay, we are going to add these two, we will get 121. Okay, we are habituated to this. In this video I am going to do same 11 square in the two methods. Okay, method 1. Okay, coming to method 1, I am going to take the bases, friends. Okay, 10, 100, 1000 like that. You can take in between also 20, 30 like that. We are going to learn in the upcoming videos. Okay, I am going to do same 11 square in the method 1. Okay, friends, 11 is near to the base 10, so I am taking the base as 10. Okay, 11 times 11. I am going to subtract base from the taken number. Okay, so 11 minus 10, I am going to get plus 1. Okay, make sure the sign, friends, sign is very important. Okay, I am going to subtract base from the taken number, so I am going to get again plus 1. 11 minus 10. Okay, make sure sign, friends. Okay, sign is very important. And again we have to do addition. 11 plus 1, we are going to get 12. Okay, here 11 plus 1, we are going to get 12. Okay, we are going to multiply 12 with the base, we will get 120. Okay, we are going to multiply 1 with this one. Okay, 1 times 1 plus 1 times plus 1, we will get plus 1. Okay, we are going to add with 120, that is 12 times 10 plus 1. I am going to get 121. Okay, here the answer is same. This method is easier, right, friends? You can do this method or method 2. I am going to tell you method 2 right now in this video. Okay, friends, coming to the method 2. Okay, M2. I am going to do same 11 square in the method 2. Okay, please follow carefully, friends. Okay, I am going to split into two parts. Okay, I am taking first part as A. The value of first part is A. Second part as B. We know famous formula A plus B whole square. Right? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Follow in this pattern only, friends. Okay, don't interchange the terms. Okay, in this pattern only. And coming to A value equal to 1 and B value equal to 1. So A square means 1 square equal to 1. Okay, 2 cross 1 cross 1. Since A value equal to 1, B value equal to 1. So 2 cross 1 cross 1. B square means 1 square, that is equal to 1. 1, 2 cross 1 cross 1. We will get 2. 1. 121. Friends, I am going to do 16 square. Coming to the method 1, I am going to do 16 square. Okay, same as earlier, I am going to take base as 10. Okay, because 16 is near to base 10. Base as 10. 16 cross 16. Okay, we have to subtract base from the taken number. So 16 minus 10. You will get plus 6. Make sure the sign, friends, sign is very important. Okay, and this 16 minus 10, taken number minus base, we will get plus 6. Okay, we have to multiply these two. 6 into 6, we will get 36. Okay, and again coming to here, 16 plus 6 we have to do, so that we will get 22 plus 22. Okay, again 16 plus 6 we will get plus 22. Okay, I have to multiply base with the 22, so we will get 220. And again I am going to add 36 over here. Okay, 256. This is coming to method 1. Okay, now I am going to do same very 16 square in the method 2. Okay, I am going to split into two parts. I am taking first part as A and second part as B. We know formula A plus B whole square. Okay, which is equivalent to A square plus 2AB plus B square. We have to do in the very same pattern. Don't interchange terms. Okay. Coming to value of A value equal to 1 and B value equal to 6. Okay. So A square is equal to 1 square. So we will get 1. Again 2 cross A into B. 2 cross 1 into 6. We will get 2 into 1 into 6. B square, that is 6 square. 6 square equal to 36. Okay. 1. 6 into 2. We will get 12. 36. Okay. Here comes the question, friends. How we have to add over here. Okay. In the 11 square we have got 1, 2, 1 like this simply. Okay. But here comes you have got 2 digits. Okay. 2 digits. Then how we have to do? Okay. I have split into two parts. On the right part we are having only 1 digit. So we have to leave the 1 digit. Okay. 6 we have to write directly. And we have to add 3 to 12. We will get 15. And forward the carry over here. Okay. So 1 plus 1. We will get 2. 256. 256. You can do any of them method, friends. Okay. Friends, in the upcoming videos you are going to learn when you have to apply these methods. Okay. Friends, in the upcoming videos I am going to do 20 base, 30 base, 100 base like that. Okay. So please follow the classes regularly. Friends, I want you to do square of the 12, 14, 19 and comment the answer in the comment box. Okay. I hope you will do this. Do it yourself and comment the answer in the comment box, friends. Okay. DIY. Do the square of this in these two methods. Okay. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. If you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. Thanks for watching the video, friends.